Hi, this is Sanjay. I joined QSpiders for a full stack development course. Before joining QSpiders, I don't know what is programming language, what is Java, what is Python, I don't know anything. After joining QSpiders, Nandi sir taught us Java in a easy and simple manner. Because of him, I learned Java very easily. I learned the concepts very quickly. So I give special thanks to Karnika ma'am. So she takes care of us a lot. She motivated us a lot, and special thanks to Nagaraj sir. He also taught us SQL. So because of him, I learned SQL very quickly. And special thanks to Andra also. She taught us aptitude. And a special thanks to HR team who had a requirement for us. So thank you all. And I got a job within 4 months, so easily, and I got placed in beta monks as a Java developer.